Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Rashmi here. Today I'm here with a really superb hair tonic. I'm going to teach you how to make this hair tonic if you are suffering from hair fall, slow hair growth, split ends, dandruff, scalp infection, any kind of problems with hair. I'm here with this hair tonic today. I'm going to show you how to make it and how to use it. And if you use it consistently for about few weeks or maybe a couple of months, you will definitely see a difference in your hair. Your hair fall will slow down, your hair growth will get promoted. If you have dandruff issues, that will go away. So overall, it's going to help you with your hair health. It's going to make your hair shinier, smoother. The quality of your hair will improve. It's going to make your roots stronger so that the hair that grows out will be stronger and thicker, and basically overall your hair will start looking better. So I'm going to show you how to do this. So let's get started. So guys, here are the ingredients that we need. We need methi seeds, which is fenugreek, 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. We need 1 teaspoon of blackseed, which is also called onionseed or kalonji in Hindi. And we need 1 teaspoon of plain white rice. Any kind of rice is fine. Brown rice, black rice, white rice, anything is fine. We need just 1 teaspoon of each, and we are going to soak it overnight in water. And I'll show you in the next step what needs to be done. So here I have put in the mixture in a pan. It's about 1 cup of water and 1 teaspoon of the 3 ingredients that I showed you. And what else we're going to add in here is some green tea. I'm just going to take some regular green tea and I'm going to cut the bag. And I'm just going to drop it in there and let the green tea cook along with this water. So we're going to cook this liquid for about 5 minutes. We will let it boil for 5 minutes. Once it comes to a boil, that's when we start counting our time. So we'll boil it for 5 minutes, but that will be on like a low heat. We don't want to boil it on a high heat. So I'm going to show you that. So guys, as you can see, the mixture is now come to a boil and it's on a very low heat. So it's just kind of simmering, and we'll let that happen for 5 minutes. And so while this is boiling, I'll quickly explain you guys the benefits of these ingredients that we are about to put into our hair. So the black seed, the onion seed or kalonji, it has antibacterial properties and it fights off scalp infections. It also is packed with antioxidants. The oil, there is oil in these kalonji, the black seeds. It contains oil and it's said to neutralize free radicals, which may improve the quality of your hair. It has inflammation fighting properties, and it's packed with inflammation fighting compounds. Fights hair fall, induces hair growth. It nourishes the hair follicles and prevents hair from falling off. It improves the hair scalp health. It combats dandruff and scalp irritation. And it's also known to prevent and even reverse graying of hair by preserving the pigmentation in the hair follicles. It also is very beneficial in fighting fungal infections on the scalp. So if you have any kind of scalp infections, I don't know what they're called, but some people have itchy scalp, red scalp, they have little bumps and pimples on their scalps, or if you have dandruff, then the black seed, kalonji, is very beneficial for that. The methi seed or the fenugreek, it's very well known to prevent and control hair loss. It promotes hair growth. It is very moisturizing. It has very moisturizing properties, and it's a very good conditioning agent. It's also anti-inflammatory. It regulates sebum production, which means that if you have an oily scalp, it will help in controlling that oil, so you don't have to keep washing your hair very often. It also stimulates hair growth. It prevents hair loss. It prevents dryness because it's a moisturizing agent. It prevents baldness and dandruff. It volumizes the hair shaft. It leaves the hair soft and shiny, and it strengthens the hair roots in the scalp. So it's going to make your hair strong. The growth of your new hair will be strong, and it's very beneficial for the hair. A lot of people know about the benefits of fenugreek. It's very popular, especially in India. It's been known for ages how beneficial fenugreek is for the hair. The next ingredient, rice. I think by now we've all heard about the rice, the benefits of rice for hair and skin. I've already showed on my channel two videos where in one of them I've showed how to make the rice water, and the other one was how to use it for the face, for the skin. But rice is also great for the hair because it strengthens the hair, it increases elasticity, it adds shine, it keeps the hair strong and healthy, it helps with faster hair growth. Rice water also has antioxidant properties, which helps in getting rid of toxins that could accumulate in the scalp, thereby preventing premature alopecia and graying. So all these ingredients are really, really good for the hair. They will all they all have antioxidant properties. They help with the scalp health. They help with strengthening the hair follicles, the hair roots. So all these ingredients will help you with hair fall and hair growth, and also reversing the graying of hair, premature graying. So guys, this tonic is really, really wonderful if you guys can use it. So guys, the mixture is now cooked and ready, and as you can see, it's hot. I'm gonna wait until it cools off and we'll go from there. So as you guys can see, the mixture has completely cooled off. Now what we need is a spray bottle to make it easier for application. You can use it any other way you like, but I prefer using the spray bottle because it just makes my life easier. And we need a strainer, and we're simply gonna strain this liquid into the bottle. Now this much tonic is going to last me about 4 applications, so it should last me maybe 2 weeks if I use it twice a week, which is recommended if you're having a pretty solid hair fall. If not, then once a week is good enough. So we got it strained. We have like half the bottle full, and to this mixture we will add the Magic hair oil, which is from my brand. You can use it, you can buy it on myGlamUSA.com. If you don't have this oil, you can use any other hair oil which suits you, any essential oils or any other good oils which are beneficial for the hair. I'm just gonna use like maybe 1 teaspoon, not too much. And we're just gonna close this and mix it up. And we can store this mixture for up to 2 weeks, but we will have to leave it in the fridge. We can't just leave it outside. So before using it, you will have to warm it up a little bit to get everything activated. Plus the oil, this hair oil, the base of this hair oil is in coconut oil, so it's going to kind of solidify. So every time I use it, I'll have to leave this bottle in a bath of hot water so the oil gets liquefied before we start using it. So guys, as I mentioned, you can use myGlamUSA's hair oil. It's the Magic hair oil. It has 16 ingredients in it. It has Ayurvedic herbs, and it has essential oils also. But obviously, if you don't have this oil, the other oils that are beneficial for the hair, I just wanted to quickly go over it. You can add castor oil, rosemary essential oil, lavender essential oil, amla oil if you can find it, neem oil if you can find it. Neem is also very good for dandruff as well. So any other good oils for the hair, just the essential oils, just few drops of each of those oils would be good enough. If you have this guy, then you don't need to add anything else because this contains everything that you can imagine. But if you don't, then you can just add whatever other oils you can get. So basically what we're going to do is just spray this all over the scalp. We don't need to spray it all over the hair. You can if you want to, but I'm not going to. I'm just going to spray it in my scalp, tie up my hair and leave it. So here you go. One thing I did want to mention again is make sure that you store this in the fridge. Don't store it outside because it has all these raw ingredients that we just boiled. So without a preservative, this will go bad in about maybe 3 days or so. So please make sure to leave it in the fridge to store it for up to 2 weeks. And before using it, just keep it in a hot water bath. Like just take another pan or a cup and leave this in there so that we can warm up the liquid a little bit, so that the oil inside can kind of warm up and liquefy, and then it's going to penetrate better in your scalp. Even if this liquid is a little warm, it's actually better. It will help with the penetration. So I just wanted to mention that leave it in the fridge. Do not leave it outside unless you plan to use it up within the next 3 days. Do not leave it outside. So there you have it, guys. It's all put in. I massage my scalp after I put it in. Minimum I'm going to leave it in is for 2 hours. You can leave it in overnight, all day, 2 days. It's not a problem. It's just a water base. It has a little bit of oil in it, so it should be fine. So you can leave it in for a couple of days if you like, and just wash it normally as you would with a regular shampoo, maybe once or twice, how much ever it takes to clean out your hair properly. It's not very oily, so maybe even one shampoo is good enough. So, and in the meantime, if you have left it in for about 8 hours or so, or if you plan to leave it in longer, you can even do this like 3 times a day. Like maybe every 4 hours you spray it again and then just let it dry. Again, after 4 hours you can spray it and let it dry. Leave it overnight like that, doesn't matter. It's completely natural. It has no chemicals in it, so it's not going to harm your hair in any way. In fact, it's going to give you a lot of benefits. You will see it, but you have to be consistent. If you're having a lot of hair fall, twice a week is what's recommended. So guys, do try it and let me know how it worked out for you. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And I'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.